Good morning, Eastwood staff and scholars. Please demonstrate 5. Thank you for demonstrating 5 and showing me that you are focused and ready to learn. With me today, I have 5th grade change makers from Miss Davidson's class. Please introduce yourself.
Brody, Corey, I am Isabella, Kiera, Reagan, Layla.
Thank you for speaking up and talking loud so we can all hear you. I am your school counselor, and it is National School Counseling Week. So I am very excited because this week we are going to be talking about a recipe for success. And actually, maybe we should have these switched around. Let's switch Brody and Isabella. A recipe for success. Brody, can you tell us what a recipe is?
A set of instructions for making or preparing something.
Okay, so instructions for preparing something, and oftentimes we think about if we have a recipe for chocolate chip cookies or a recipe for spaghetti, right? So it's a set of instructions, and what does success mean, Isabella?
Success means reaching for a goal.
Okay, so we're going to figure out what do you need, what kind of greatness qualities do you need in your recipe to reach your goals? I love it. Now there's a couple different kind of goals. There are short-term goals and there are long-term goals. Kiera, can you tell us what short-term goals are?
Goals we have for today, this week, this month, or this year.
Okay, so it's shorter. Today, this week, this month. How about long-term goals, Reagan?
Long-term goals are goals for the next year or 5 or 10 years from now or even 20 years from now.
So way down the road when you're a lot older, right? Maybe in high school or maybe even as an adult. Kiera, can you give an example of a short-term goal?
A short-term goal is being focused.
It's like if you want to be focused today, that's a short-term goal. What's an example of a long-term goal, Reagan?
A long-term goal is like I'm going to go to college in the future so I can get a good job.
Excellent. So after high school, after elementary and middle school and high school, you want to go to college, yes. Now, in order to reach our goals, Eastwood, staff and students, there are many greatness qualities we need, and that's what we're going to talk about this week. And the first one we're going to talk about is what, everybody? Effort. Because effort makes the difference. Layla, what is effort?
Energy or activity needed to accomplish something.
Okay, so let's say, Adna, let's say your short-term goal is to stay focused today. What kind of effort would you put into that? What would that look like? If someone walked into your room, what would they see you doing?
Working.
Yeah, you would be doing your work, right? You wouldn't be sitting there looking around. You would be listening to the teacher. You would be focused, exactly. So, thank you, Eastwood staff and students. I'm so excited to talk more about our recipe as the week goes on. Let's say our pledge. I am a proud Eastwood Eagle. I demonstrate self-control. I have integrity. I feel empathy and show compassion. I am an upstander. I work and play by the rules. I am respectful. I persevere. I choose to do and be my best. I pledge to see the best in others. Effort makes the difference. I just want to point out the last line of our pledge is effort makes the difference. And that is the first ingredient in our recipe for success. Let's sing Happy Every Day to you. Junie Chen Chen Kwai La. 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 And let's go ahead and put your papers down so we can do our cheer. Here we go, the greatness cheer. Picture my greatness, picture your greatness, picture our greatness. What time is it, everybody?
It's time to get to work.